Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in EMO Hannover 2025. Happy to be at Marposs booth in hall number 5, stall number D13, and we have with us Mr. Francesco Piunti. It's good to meet you, Francesco. Today is day 2. I wanted to understand initially for our audience, what does Marposs do? I know everybody knows Marposs, but still for our listeners, what does Marposs do overall?
First, good morning and welcome to this exhibition. I'm very happy to host you this exhibition. Marposs is a company that is supplying solutions for the quality control in the industry, in the manufacturing industry. So we have a number of products for different applications inside the manufacturing industry primarily.
Okay.
In this exhibition, we present a lot of important news. So for Marposs, the EMO exhibition is a milestone exhibition. So they bring here a lot of new products, and we launch this kind of exhibition.
Okay. And what are when you said you launched, what is the new product which you have launched in this trade show?
We have a number of new products.
Okay.
So we have a product capable to acquire the 3D surface of a part for quality validation. But we have also sensors, new sensors, capable to acquire information about the part during the working process. We are market leader in some industry like control inside the machining, during the production of the parts. And you can see in this booth a lot of new products that can equip the machine and to control the quality of the part, to help the machine in different stages of the production.
And today we are in day 2. What is the response you are getting from the customer here in Germany? What sort of visitors are coming? Your experience for the day 1, how was your experience?
I have seen a customer very interested in our product innovation because as Marposs we are leader in this kind of segment, and we continuously are able to innovate this industry. So through new applications or improving the industrial robustness of our gauges, but also the ease of use of our products, we definitely are capable to continuously innovate this industry. That's an important part of our value proposition.
And lastly, your message to the people who are coming to the trade show?
Again, we are launching a lot of product news in this exhibition, so we would like to have customer or potential customer visiting this exhibition to show what we are able to launch as innovation in this segment.
Now we are the other side of the booth, because it's a beautiful booth, ladies and gentlemen. Both the side people can come watch the technology. So this is a wall, I can say it's a Marposs wall where I can see a lot of products. Francesco, can you let our audience know what all these products, what all the industry they use?
Let me say one of our core business is also monitoring the machine.
Okay.
This is an important step in the production phase because monitoring the machine, you can optimize the production process, but also prevent critical situations like crashes or unexpected situations. So one of our core business, and we are a leader in this let's say portion of application, is monitoring the machine with sensors that are integrated inside the machine, and it can help manufacturers in doing different tasks. So for instance, we can monitor the vibration during the operation. So if vibration exceeds a certain number of a certain level, we can inform the controller of the machine to stop because there is an unexpected situation. We can control the tool, so the quality of the tool, because the quality of the tool is directly connected to the quality of the manufacturing product. So this is based on vision technology to make a very perfect profiling and the quality validation of the tool. And we have different kind of let's say sensors to complete the monitoring of the process inside the machine.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's like a healthcare for a machine. They have a monitoring solution. If you want to have your machine up and running, because to keep your production line up and running, do visit Marposs booth, check out their latest solution, and say hello to Francesco over a coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are at the other side of the booth, and we have a line of product displayed. Francesco, can you let us know more about the product which are displayed?
This is one of the most important focus of the exhibition, because this corner is full of product news. We launch in this case two important pieces of our offer. That is the new display control unit. It is a gauging control unit, and the new networking of the gauges.
Okay.
So we have probes that we interconnect through what we call the smart net. It's a network.
Okay.
This is very smart, with a lot of functionality that simplificate the installation and use of the network, like the 360-degree LED that you can see from every perspective. They facilitate the life of our customer and the installation. And also the flexibility of this network, because you can chain different modules to create also large networks. On the other side, there is a controller that is a display that has a lot of computational capability. So it calculates the measurement and it displays in a very nice form. As you can see, we use a lot of color code. That is the way to simplify the communication to our operators and to avoid errors during the production.
If you want very smart system, do reach out to Mr. Francesco at hall number 5 at Marposs booth. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Francesco.
Thank you.
Thank you.